Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add picture watermark in Publisher to just one page. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to add picture watermark only one page. Go to the second page. Then click right button on our mouse and select insert section. And we go back the first page and we insert this page. Go to the view menu, click master pages option, then go to the insert menu, click picture, then choose picture from our file and insert it, then resize the picture, then go to the format shape option and go to the picture section, then increase the transparency and click OK, then go back the master pages menu, click close master page, then go to the second section, then press shift on our keyboard to select this multiple page, then click right button on our mouse and select the master pages menu, click none, then check the all page and we can see we add picture watermark to just one page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.